Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'm going to help you guys solve the nearby share not working or missing problem. Well, I am using a Samsung device, so I just have quick share. I do not have nearby share. Well, it's just the same, but simply the name differs between the operating systems. So we just click on this nearby share. As you can see, the same, all the three options: no one, contacts, and everyone appears. So for me, nearby share actually works right now. So for many people, the nearby share would not be working or it would not be available. So in order to, keep a nearby share here, what you would have to do is go to the last page, and here you would find an option SS plus. It's mostly going to be the same for all the devices. So here, these are the available buttons, and you can just add it if you want. In here also, if we do not have the nearby share, then it's going to be a problem with the nearby share application. So in order to solve that, what you have to do is go to settings, here search for nearby share. Well, I'm using a Samsung device, so I'm going to search for quick share. Here, as you can see, I have a lot of options. I'm just going to click on quick share. Now I have a lot of options over here. Now if we want to solve the problem, what we have to do is click on this, who can share with you, and we are just going to choose everyone. And we click on everyone, well, the problem would have mostly been resolved. If it's still not resolved, all you have to do is long press on this button here, just restart your device. You just click on restart, your device would be restarted. Nothing, no problem would be happening. If you are still facing problems with the quick share or nearby share, just turn on this show available devices on share panel. By default it would be off, you can just turn it on. So by doing all of this, the nearby share error, missing error would definitely be resolved. And if you just do the steps which I told and add a button, the nearby share would be working for you. So guys, I hope today's video was useful to you. If it was useful to you, just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video, and if you want more such videos, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button. And thanks for watching this video until then. It's me Surya Prakash from Protech Genius signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.